Let's take a quick look at how to use Zoom. I will keep the link and passcode to our class Zoom posted at the top of our Google Classroom. I strongly encourage everyone to use headphones. This way, when you talk, we won't hear noise from other people in the chat. I bought my earbuds for around $1, and they can be found easily at a dollar store. Now, let's look at some of the important features of Zoom. If you hover your mouse over the middle, you'll see a bunch of options at the bottom. In the bottom left is the mute or unmute button. By pressing this button, you can turn your microphone on and off. When the line is through it, it's off. You can also be heard when you hold down the spacebar. Next to the microphone in the bottom left is the video button. Whenever possible, I would like you to have your video on. If your internet is going very slowly, however, it can be a good idea to turn it off to help improve your connection to the meeting. To the right of the video button on the bottom is the participants button. When you click on this, you can see who is in the meeting, and it will appear on the right side of your screen, like that. I also want our class to use the hand raise feature. You can find the hand raise feature in the bottom left of the Participants tab. If you have something you want to ask me, please raise your hand with this feature. That way everyone is not talking at once. I will do my best to get to everyone. When your question has been answered, make sure to lower the hand once your question has been answered. So press the button once to raise, and just press it again to lower it. Next to the Participants button is the Chat button. When you click on this, it will show you the Chats tab on the right side of the screen. The Chat tab offers another way to make comments or ask a question. Finally, when we are done with the meeting, hit the red button that says Leave at the bottom right of your screen. I hope this helps with understanding Zoom. Remember, we will start class on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday in Zoom.